Couplets.
Grasshopper's leg.
Grasshopper's leg.
A grasshopper has 2 long hind legs.
Crocodile's mouth.
Crocodile's mouth.
A crocodile's mouth is often open.
Camel's back.
Camel's back.
Camels can carry goods on their backs.
Kangaroo's ears.
Kangaroo's ears.
A kangaroo has long ears.
Grasshopper's leg.
Grasshopper's leg.
Crocodile's mouth.
Crocodile's mouth. Camel's back.
Camel's back. Kangaroo's ears.
Kangaroo's ears.
On.
So. Be. On. So.
B.
An.
O.
Of. Wild animals. Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey. Monkeys are good at climbing.
Lion.
Lion. Lion. Lions are called the kings of the jungle.
Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger. The tiger has striped fur and a long tail.
Elephant.
Elephant. Elephant.
The elephant's long nose is called a trunk. Monkey.
Monkey.
Lion.
Lion.
Tiger.
Tiger. Elephant.
Elephant.
Hill. Hill. Hot. Hot. Hen. Hen.
Words start with H.
Ham.
Horn.
Harp.
Heart.
House. Honey. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Grasshopper's leg.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Crocodile's mouth.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Elephant.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Fantastic!
Lion.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Great job!
Kangaroo's ears.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Great job!
Camel's back. Can you pick out Anne?
Awesome! Can you point to of? That's right.
Hooray! You have finished a lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.